In research, precision isn't optional, it's everything. When physicists, mathematicians, and engineers try to document their work in collaborative tools like Confluence, they hit a wall. Mathematical notation becomes screenshots, ASCII approximations, or external files that break the collaborative flow. Screenshots can't be edited, they're not searchable. When the formula changes, someone has to regenerate the image, re-upload it, and hope they got it right. TeXBlox brings professional mathematical typesetting directly into Confluence. Let me show you. I'm documenting a quantum gate operation. I'll insert the TeXBlox macro. Here's the editor. I can type standard LaTeX syntax, the same notation used in academic papers and research publications. I'll choose the block mode for this matrix so it displays prominently. And I get publication quality rendering instantly. This is the Hadamard gate, a fundamental operation in quantum computing. Notice the matrix formatting, the proper fraction notation, the square root symbol. This is how it would appear in a peer-reviewed paper. Now for simpler operations, inline mode lets formulas flow naturally with text. Here's the Schrödinger equation. The formula integrates seamlessly with the documentation. Researchers can explain physics while maintaining mathematical rigor. For research and development teams, this changes everything. No more context switching or screenshot maintenance, just professional documentation that matches the caliber of your research. You can even copy your work between your favorite LaTeX editor and Confluence without any syntax issues or difficulty. It has never been so easy to keep your documentation and your LaTeX files in sync. TeXBlox earned that it runs on Atlassian badge, meaning it's fully contained within Atlassian's infrastructure. All rendering happens client-side with bundled libraries with no external dependencies, no data leaving your environment. For research teams handling sensitive or proprietary work, this matters. TeXBlox is already live in the Atlassian marketplace with active users. Here you can see our Runs on Atlassian badge and install it for yourself. Research teams can already use TeXBlox to document algorithms, statistical models, and engineering specifications, transforming their technical documentation from screenshot-filled wikis to professional, maintainable knowledge bases. TeXBlox is also fully open source, and you can view the full source code on GitHub. Thank you for watching. Check out the source code or install TeXBlox on Confluence today.